selfish. You are greedy for people to give you gifts.
No.
You are kanjos.
Brother, when we are Somali, our rule is 10 game. We play 3.
Okay, you are Somalia. Your rule is when I am Yusuf, I make my rule this best of 3. If I win 2, yalla, bet ummak. Go to your mother's home. Khalas.
About that shit there. Okay, this is respect. You can leave, brother. I'm not begging you. This is respect. But you have to accept you are a runner, I'm the winner.
No. You Somali people play 10 games, we play 3 games.
Okay, let us play 3 games. If you win 3 games, I salute for you.
Don't everyone saying don't play.
Hey, now if you win 3 games, I salute for you. And I
bye. Jazakallah khair. Don't cry, don't cry.
I'm not crying, but you feel fear. Because
you are greedy for gifts. I'm not greedy. I play best of 3 and I win 2 from you.
Okay, you can leave, brother. I'm not begging you. You can leave. This is my life. If we play,
you may leave. You may leave. You may leave. Yalla barra. Barra. Barra.
About life, this
barra. Barra. Barra.
Barra. You feel fear. The brave man.
Barra.
About that, what I comment here about the buffet. All Somali people, they said he's not a real man. A real man can fight.